Artist once said, plant a seed so your heart will grow. Plants are an inevitable, important part of our lives. So this is why, during this quarantine period, I've decided to invest my time in microgreens. I'm doing this as part of Positive Media's project. So please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Hit the like button and tell us what do you think in the comment section below. Horsegram, also known as cultivate, hurali or madras gram, is one of the lesser known beans. It is mainly used as horse feed, occasionally for human needs. In India, it is mainly cultivated in the states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. Horse gram is also a great source of protein and can treat illness like kidney stones, ulcers, colds, etc. I've got an interesting fact. Did you know horse gram is fed to racing horses so they'll become strong and they'll get energy? That's amazing, isn't it? All because of this, I'm choosing horse gram for my product. My other news is green gram, also known as mung. Green gram is packed with healthy nutrients and reduces the risks of heart diseases. I chose these beans for my project because personally I myself love my horse gram and green gram. So let's get started with our process. I first took few seeds of both plants and soaked it in water for 24 hours. This accelerates the germination process. After soaking, I placed a few seeds in moist tissue and a few in soil. Ooh, I'm excited to see what comes next. And they're sprouting. You can see this clearly in both cases. It is a truly fascinating process. So this is the 4th day I'm working on horse gram and the 6th day on green gram in the microgreen project. As you can see, my plants are shaping up pretty well. We see a few leaves on horse gram while few shoots are yet to come out. The green gram has leaves in plentiful. Today is the final day and look how much they've grown. Leaves stand up happily and I think it's safe to say that we got some pretty strong and of course beautiful microgreens right here. I've had an amazing time with my microgreens. It's great watching them grow and a fabulous way to spend your quarantine time. So that's it. Please try this at home and make sure you eat your own share of horse gram and green gram, whether it is a soup or the traditional South Indian uperi. Thanks for watching.